I don't care you are good or bad. If you respect me, I will respect you. Enjoy the little thing in life, for someday you will realize they were the big things. Mother is a beautiful creation because in this selfish world, she is only one who always want to see you happy. Delete negative people, forget your past, accept your mistakes, and restart your life. Respect the old when you are young, help the weak when you are strong, confess the fault when you are wrong. Because one day in life you will be old, weak, and wrong. Life is so beautiful. One day, 1 hour, 1 minute will never come again. So just forget all problems and be happy. I am not a perfect person. I make a lot of mistakes, but I really appreciate those people who stayed with me after knowing who really am.